Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that pesky error F84 on your Miele dishwasher and wondering what's going on, don't worry, I've got you covered. This error, which is common in 2025 models, typically signals a problem with the water intake system, like low water pressure, a clogged filter, or issues with the inlet hose. It's frustrating, but fixing it yourself can save you time and money. In this video, we'll go through a straightforward step-by-step guide to get your dishwasher running smoothly again. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to unplug your dishwasher or turn off the power at the circuit breaker before you start. This prevents any electrical mishaps. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Check your water supply. Ensure the water valve under your sink is fully open and that there's no kink in the inlet hose. Sometimes, it's as simple as that. Next, inspect the inlet hose for any blockages or damage. Disconnect it carefully from the dishwasher and the water source, then flush it out with water. If it's clogged with debris, clean it thoroughly and reattach it securely. Step 3. Clean the filter. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher. It's usually a mesh or grate. Remove it, rinse it under running water to get rid of any food particles or buildup, and put it back in place. This is a common culprit for error F84. If that doesn't do the trick, try resetting your dishwasher. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a few minutes and plug it back in. Run a test cycle to see if the error clears. In some cases, error F84 might point to a more serious issue, like a faulty water inlet valve or sensor. If you've followed these steps and the problem persists, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it. That's how you tackle Miele dishwasher error F84. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues altogether, so keep an eye on your appliance. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.